we are now in question 2, based on the financial indicators and cash flow statement. There can never be a situation when the company collapses, then the people who are owed by the company will go as far as demanding the shareholders to come and pay this money, and they may be even repossess their personal belongings. No, their liability in the company is limited. They can only lose, when the company becomes insolvent, they can only lose only the amount invested in the accounting period that you are dealing with in this activity. It starts on the 1st of March 2020 and the end is 28 February 2021. What I normally emphasize to you students is that you should just have one formula in mind. So this is the formula that is followed. Your income tax for the year, it is your income tax for the year plus beginning minus end, depending. But if you know this one, which says your SARS beginning is a plus and your SARS end is a minus, if everything is under liability, it will be easy. Well, because if you see another thing, you will then simply just change the sign. So the difference between the net profit before tax and the net profit after tax will give you your income tax for the year. So therefore the income tax for the year is 583,001. So the total amount paid to SARS is 582,600. And now we are proceeding to dividends paid. There are 2 dividends per annum. It is the interim dividend and the final dividend. So you should always remember that your calculation for dividends paid should be your shareholders for dividends at the beginning plus your interim. Remember, the cash flow statement is made up of 3 stages. There are 3 stages there. There is cash flows from operating activities, there is cash flows from investing activities, and there is also cash flows from financing activities. The company is mainly financed by the shares, the issuing of shares, and secondly, when that money that we get from the sale of shares is not enough, we then take out loans. So that is why under financing activities, you will have your proceeds from shares issued, you will have your funds used to repurchase shares, and you will have your change. So let me pause here for now and take a water break so that we may also continue from where we left. Thank you.